219.
Go for 219.
All units, we have a splashdown. We have a splashdown in the river.
Got 3 rafts coming your way. Okay, they're tossing the bundles towards the raft, and we do have officers arriving now.
Okay, stay with it. We're going to come take some photos.
Hey guys, I got a runner, or I've got one running. He's running south. He's running south from y'all's location where the dog is. Stand by.
He's running.
Right skid. Your agents are getting close now. Helo down low. Right side 3 o'clock. 2 subjects. I've got agents closing in. The dog is moving towards them. You guys follow the dog. The dog's got them. They're stopped. Keep going. The dog turned around, but keep going. Agents, keep moving in the direction you're going. Got hands up now. Hands up. I've got 2 on ground. Agents taking both subjects into custody at this time.
At DPS 243, that's good copy. IC's copied all.
10-4, both subjects are detained and in custody at this time.
Spectre 219 to Omaha. Okay, they just loaded up the raft back in there in the bundles, and everybody's jumping back into the vehicle.
And guys, if you can let the ops in know, the vehicle's now back around on the south side of Smuggler's Alley, still making their way southbound. All right, guys, they're coming in. They're made it to their that small town that's south of Avocado Landing. We'll try to put them down somewhere and send the cords. Y'all can relay to the FOB maybe.
And Spectre, I don't know if you saw that second vehicle that was following that first load vehicle or not. I think they were the lookout. They were parked just downriver when they were doing the bundles.
Hey, 148 is waiting on an elderly. So you need to use a basket here. Just setting up. Hey, I'm going to who's that out here over here on the west side of 610? I'm going to pass behind you going to pick up. We got Diabetic and a couple other guys to pick up there.
Yeah, that's the last little kid. I just want to know if we can start doubling them up.
It is a gray Mercedes. Going to be on US 90 east back towards Castroville. An infant in that vehicle. Alright, extremely high rate of speed. I'd say at least 100 miles an hour still. Traffic is light to moderate. Almost struck another vehicle passing. Flyway Patrol just got a spike. I went off road. Looks like she's about to wreck. No, she still got it. She's now on the access across the median. Looks like she's taking Military Drive. Looks like they're going to crash almost. Stand by, still going. We're going Military southbound. 13, we're in oncoming traffic now. Oncoming traffic. And now center median, 13 southbound from 90 proper. I think the troop got her. Okay, it looks like her front left tire might be low. We're through a red ball intersection. She just blew through that. Her arm is sticking out of the door right now, out of the window. We're just passing Palms Road. She's number 3 lane now, number 2 lane. Still high rate of speed coming up to the creek. Hold here, 1050, 1050, 1050 and 2536 and military. She's in the back seat. She's got the baby and we're running. We're running southbound from the accident,
Received vehicle crashed at 2536 at military. Female with a baby is running southbound from the crash.
Okay, we're getting in a white Nissan Xterra, troops in front of it. Hold the air. Doors are open. Troops trying to get her out now. Female driver of this white Nissan Xterra also has a child, and the baby's safe.
107 EMS has been notified.
AMOC says that he's doing like heat runs here, Brent, so he's probably trying to look for you guys.
They want to take this guy into custody. We're telling us it would be as if a felony has been committed. So if you guys can get on the ground if he lands in Marble Falls, that's the goal.
He's all lined up for 17 right now.
Yeah, we got a visual. This looks like a good stop.
He's got a duffel bag, he's throwing it in the grass.
It's going to be, again, a Chrysler 300 4-door 2017, black in color.
Okay, I think I got him. He's on the access road right now, traveling westbound. Okay, he's on the wrong side of the road, trying to split the middle access road. Got front end damage. Just blew through the intersection at Zool Road, getting back up on 10. She's back number 2 lane, just really slow. Okay, he's got smoke coming out of the front left tire now. He's probably going to have to shut it down pretty quick. He's smoking on the road. Just lost a tire, now he's running on the rim. He is IH-10 and FM-1518 taking the exit. IH-10, 1518.
Hey, the Guadalupe troops, this 107, how far behind are you guys? 6631 to 107. We're underneath 1518 right now. I'm on 10. Got another unit on the access road.
Okay, 10-4. He's still slow rolling it, coming up to Frutenberg Road, still on the access. Heads up, guys. He looks like he's getting out. He's under the floorboard, guys. Under the floorboard. Be careful. Be careful. Under the floorboard, guys. Watch it. Taking up a defensive position, guys. Shots fired. Shots fired. Troop down. Troop down. Let's get EMS en route. Troops down. Got a handgun. Troops down. It's gonna be a small caliber weapon. Either 9mm, something like that, to EMS, and he shot in the right arm. 107, you got an ETA on EMS?
107, standby, we'll get an ETA.
7 to the troops. I think we're gonna try to land and medevac him ourselves. Copy that?
107, will you be taking them to SAMC so that we can notify them?
University.
Confirming you said University?
University, San Antonio. And if you could find out what frequency their helipad uses.
the ground. He's on the move, backing out now.
10-4. Where's he at?
I got him eastbound wall lane, coming up to 35 frontage. Going to be taking a right turn southbound on 35 frontage. We're 35 frontage and Old Settlers, and he's red balled. He's stopped right now. Still red balled at the intersection. Alright, we're through the intersection, southbound, still on frontage from Old Settlers. Look for the laser. I got it on him. Alright, Van's made contact with him. Got an explosion inside the vehicle.